Bioregulation, the electromagnetic symphony of life. This presentation delves into the fascinating world of bioregulation, BRT, exploring how electromagnetic forces shape biological processes and influence our well-being. Welcome to our presentation on the world of bioregulation technology by Gabor Ledniczky. Today, we'll explore the fascinating field of biocybernetics and its applications in health and wellness. Let's begin by understanding the fundamental forces of nature that govern all physical interactions. These are electromagnetism, strong interaction, weak interaction, and gravitation. These forces play crucial roles in biological processes at various levels. Electromagnetism plays crucial roles in biological processes at various levels. Molecular interactions. Electromagnetic forces between charged particles and dipoles are fundamental to the structure and function of biological molecules, such as DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Nerve impulses. The transmission of nerve impulses relies on the movement of ions across cell membranes, which is governed by electric potentials and fields. Sensory perception. Many sensory systems, such as vision and hearing, depend on the interaction of electromagnetic waves with biological tissues. Understanding electromagnetism is essential for comprehending the physical principles underlying many technological applications, including electrical engineering, telecommunications, and medical imaging technologies. Strong interaction from a medical perspective. The strong interaction is a fundamental force that holds the nucleus of an atom together, ensuring the stability of protons and neutrons. This stability is essential for the integrity of atoms, which are the building blocks of all matter, including the cells and tissues in our bodies. Without the strong interaction, atoms would fall apart, making life as we know it impossible. Understanding this force helps in medical fields like radiology and nuclear medicine, where the behavior of atomic nuclei is crucial for imaging and treatment. Weak interaction from a bioregulation perspective. The weak interaction plays a vital role in the regulation of biological processes through its influence on radioactive decay. In cellular respiration, the weak interaction helps facilitate the conversion of nutrients into energy, which is essential for maintaining cellular functions and overall homeostasis. Additionally, the weak interaction is involved in processes like DNA synthesis and repair, which are critical for the regulation of cell growth and reproduction. Understanding this force enhances our ability to manipulate and monitor biological systems for improved health outcomes. Gravitation from a bioregulation perspective. Gravitation is the force that attracts objects toward one another, and while it's the weakest of the fundamental forces, it plays a key role in biological regulation. It affects blood circulation and the distribution of bodily fluids, ensuring that nutrients and oxygen reach cells effectively. In plants, gravitation influences growth directions through a process called gravitropism, helping roots grow downward and stems upward. Understanding gravitation helps in fields like space medicine, where the lack of gravity can affect muscle and bone health. Energy and force production for survival on Earth. Our bodies rely on complex systems to produce and regulate energy and force, ensuring we can survive and thrive in our environment. Psychosocial regulation. This involves the interplay of our mental state and social interactions, which significantly impact our physical well-being. Positive thoughts, feelings, and social support can enhance immune function and overall health, while stress and negative interactions can lead to biological imbalances. Bioregulation. Our bodies can adjust to changes in atmospheric pressure, ensuring physiological stability, whether at sea level or high altitudes. This includes maintaining proper oxygen levels and blood circulation, crucial for survival in varying environments. Hormonal regulation. This system involves the production and release of hormones by various glands, which act as chemical messengers. Hormones coordinate and regulate essential functions like growth, metabolism, and stress response, ensuring our body operates smoothly. Understanding these regulatory processes is vital for maintaining health and addressing medical conditions. Now let's introduce a key concept: homeodynamics. Homeodynamics refers to the dynamic interplay of internal and external factors that govern the balance and stability of our bodily functions. Unlike the static concept of homeostasis, homeodynamics emphasizes the continuous adaptation and flexibility of living organisms in response to ever-changing conditions. Homeodynamics ensures that our bodies maintain a state of equilibrium even when faced with external stressors, such as temperature changes or infections, and internal fluctuations, like hormonal shifts. This adaptive process allows us to thrive in dynamic environments by constantly adjusting physiological processes to meet the demands of our surroundings. For example, when we exercise, our heart rate and respiration increase to supply more oxygen to our muscles, demonstrating a homeodynamic response to physical activity. Overall, homeodynamics is crucial for sustaining life and health, enabling organisms to function optimally despite continuous changes. Self-regulating processes. Body exchanges matter, energy, and information with environment. Our bodies constantly interact with the environment by exchanging matter, energy, and information. We take in nutrients, eliminate waste, and respond to sensory input, which helps maintain our health and balance. This dynamic exchange is essential for sustaining life and adapting to changes around us. Self-supporting functions. Within our bodies, a complex network of self-supporting functions works together to maintain internal balance and ensure survival. These functions include breathing, which provides oxygen, digestion, which breaks down food for energy, circulation, which distributes nutrients and removes waste, and excretion, which eliminates toxins. Together, these processes keep our bodies running smoothly, adapting to our needs and the environment. Self-regulating processes. Self-regulating processes are interconnected functions that help our bodies adapt and thrive in response to changing internal and external conditions. These processes ensure we maintain balance and health by constantly adjusting bodily functions, such as temperature regulation, blood pressure, and glucose levels. For instance, when we get too hot, our body sweats to cool us down, and when blood sugar rises, insulin is released to bring it back to normal. These continuous adjustments allow us to function optimally in a variety of environments. Electromagnetic biocommunication. Homeodynamics controlled by electromagnetic fields. The intricate dance of life within our bodies is orchestrated by electromagnetic fields, which regulate the flow of information and energy between cells and tissues, ensuring optimal functioning. These fields help synchronize various biological processes, maintaining harmony and balance within our bodies. For example, they play a role in how cells communicate with each other, facilitating coordinated actions necessary for health and survival. This continuous regulation by electromagnetic fields is crucial for sustaining life. Internal, emitted from tissues and cell structures. Our own cells and tissues generate subtle electromagnetic fields, which act as internal signals, coordinating the activities of different parts of our bodies. These fields are essential for processes like nerve impulses, muscle contractions, and cellular communication. For instance, the heart generates an electromagnetic field that can be detected as an electrocardiogram, ECG, reflecting the heart's rhythmic activity. These internal electromagnetic signals ensure that our bodily functions are well coordinated and efficient. External, received from environment. We are also constantly bathed in electromagnetic fields from the environment, including sunlight, electromagnetic waves from devices, and the Earth's magnetic field. These external signals can influence our biological processes, sometimes for better, sometimes for worse. For example, sunlight helps regulate our sleep-wake cycles and vitamin D production, while excessive exposure to artificial electromagnetic fields may disrupt biological rhythms. Understanding how external electromagnetic fields interact with our bodies helps us manage their effects on our health. Bioregulation technology. Support for optimal communication conditions. Bioregulation technology aims to optimize the flow of information within our bodies by supporting the intricate communication pathways that govern cellular activity. This ensures that signals are received and transmitted efficiently, which is essential for maintaining healthy and coordinated bodily functions. For example, BRT can help improve the way cells communicate during healing processes, leading to faster and more effective recovery. Telecommunication technology for optimizing intra- and intercellular signaling processes. BRT employs specialized telecommunication technologies to enhance and harmonize the internal signaling processes within our bodies. This promotes cellular communication and coordination, akin to a symphony of signals working together. These technologies can help regulate processes like metabolism, immune responses, and stress reactions by ensuring that cells talk to each other effectively, leading to better overall health. Improves adaptation processes and stabilizes homeodynamics. By supporting optimal communication within our biological systems, BRT aims to enhance our ability to adapt to changing conditions, maintaining a state of balance and promoting overall well-being. This means that our bodies can better handle stress, recover from illnesses, and maintain stable internal conditions. Ultimately, BRT helps us stay resilient and healthy in the face of various environmental and internal challenges. The origin of bioregulation technology. The concept of bioregulation technology has its roots in early research that explored the body's remarkable ability to heal itself. Researchers were particularly fascinated by the mechanisms underlying tissue repair, such as wound healing and bone regeneration. Pioneering studies in these areas revealed that electrical signals play a critical role in guiding these repair processes. This understanding laid the groundwork for developing technologies aimed at optimizing and supporting the body's natural regulatory functions. As the field progressed, scientists began to harness these insights, leading to innovations in BRT that enhance the body's communication pathways, ensuring efficient cellular signaling and coordination. These advancements have enabled the development of sophisticated medical technologies that improve our ability to maintain internal balance and adapt to changing conditions, ultimately promoting overall health and well-being. Robert O. Becker's contributions to bioregulation technology. Identified electric properties of tissue involved in repair mechanisms. Robert O. Becker made groundbreaking discoveries about the electrical properties of tissues and their crucial role in the body's repair mechanisms. His research demonstrated that electrical signals are integral to tissue regeneration, particularly in processes like wound healing and bone regeneration. By studying the bioelectric factors involved in healing, Becker uncovered how specific electrical currents could stimulate cellular processes essential for repairing damaged tissues. Found decreased electromagnetic tissue communication functions as cause of diminished repair capabilities. Becker also revealed that impaired electromagnetic communication within tissues can significantly hinder the body's natural healing abilities. His studies showed that disruptions in the electrical signals between cells could lead to reduced repair capabilities, underscoring the importance of maintaining proper bioelectric function for effective healing. This insight has been pivotal in understanding how bioregulation and the manipulation of electrical signals can be used to enhance medical treatments and improve patient outcomes. W. Ross Aday's research made significant contributions to our understanding of how extremely weak electromagnetic fields influence cellular processes. He discovered that these subtle fields play a crucial role in regulating membrane transport and intracellular enzyme systems, which are essential for maintaining cellular function and overall health. Aday's work also detailed the main characteristics of internal signaling processes that control cellular metabolic activity, highlighting how electromagnetic signals orchestrate complex biological activities within our bodies. His pioneering studies provided a foundation for further exploration into the therapeutic applications of electromagnetic fields in medicine. Alfred Pischinger made significant contributions to the field of bioregulation science by proposing that the body's regulatory system operates through electromagnetic interactions within the extracellular matrix, ECM. He viewed the ECM as the body's communication hub, facilitating information transfer that allows cells to adapt to environmental changes. Pischinger emphasized how environmental factors, such as toxins and stressors, can impact the ECM and its regulatory functions, affecting overall health and adaptation. His work laid the foundation for understanding the critical role of the ECM in maintaining homeostasis and biological regulation within the body. From a bioregulatory perspective, water plays a crucial role in biology due to its unique properties. Structural foundation. Water molecules are intricately bound to components of the extracellular matrix, ECM, providing structural integrity and maintaining the framework that supports cellular activities. This ensures that cells are held in the proper arrangement to function effectively. Information carrier. Water acts as a conduit for information and energy transfer within biological systems. Its ability to form hydrogen bonds and its dynamic nature allow it to transmit signals and facilitate cellular communication, which is vital for coordinating biological processes. Dynamic equilibrium. Water's unique properties enable it to adapt to changing conditions, which helps the body maintain homeostasis. Its high specific heat capacity stabilizes internal temperatures, while its role in processes like transpiration and sweat evaporation provides cooling mechanisms that regulate body heat. These attributes highlight the essential role of water in supporting the complex network of self-regulating processes that keep organisms alive and thriving in various environments. Homeodynamics, the dance of balance. Homeostasis, a static view. Traditional medicine often emphasizes homeostasis, focusing on maintaining a fixed, stable state within the body. This concept views health as the body's ability to keep internal conditions constant despite external changes. Homeodynamics, a dynamic approach. In contrast, bioregulation technology emphasizes homeodynamics, recognizing that biological systems are dynamic and constantly adapting to internal and external stimuli. This approach understands health as a state of balance achieved through continuous adaptation and regulation. Optimizing biological functions. Homeodynamics aims to optimize the communication and regulation within biological systems, ensuring that the body can effectively respond to challenges. This involves enhancing the body's natural ability to adapt to changes, thereby maintaining overall well-being and function. In summary, while traditional views of health focus on maintaining a static state, homeostasis, the concept of homeodynamics in bioregulatory systems medicine highlights the importance of dynamic adaptation and regulation for optimal health. This perspective recognizes the complex, interconnected nature of biological processes and seeks to support the body's natural ability to maintain balance through continuous change and adaptation. Mei Wan Ho made significant contributions to the field of electromagnetic regulation in biology. She developed polarized light microscopy, a powerful technique for visualizing electromagnetic interactions in biological systems. Her research demonstrated the crucial role of electromagnetic fields during early development stages, influencing cellular growth and differentiation. Ho's work emphasized how these fields shape the fundamental processes of life, affecting everything from cell communication to overall development. She highlighted the importance of understanding these subtle electromagnetic interactions as they govern key biological activities and maintain the body's homeodynamics. By visualizing and understanding these interactions, Ho's innovations have provided deeper insights into how electromagnetic fields contribute to the regulation and coordination of cellular functions, promoting health and stability within biological systems. BRT, a promising future for health and wellness. Recent advancements in communication technologies have paved the way for innovative approaches in bioregulation technology. These technologies enable precise and efficient communication within the body, improving the regulation and coordination of biological processes. This progress has led to the development of therapeutic applications of BRT, focusing on supporting homeodynamics, the body's dynamic balance and adaptability. BRT therapies aim to optimize the flow of information and energy between cells and tissues, enhancing the body's natural healing and adaptive capabilities. By improving cellular communication, these therapies help maintain overall well-being and resilience against stressors and illnesses. BRT adopts a holistic approach to health, recognizing the interconnectedness of biological systems and the importance of maintaining dynamic equilibrium. This holistic approach promotes not only physical health, but also emotional and mental well-being by ensuring that all bodily systems function harmoniously. As research and technology continue to advance, BRT holds great promise for transforming health and wellness practices, offering new, integrative ways to support and enhance human health.